This is tough.
I'm out here living like a sun god. We out here living like a sun god rock. We out here living like a sun god rock. We out here living like a sun god rock. Came from bullshit, made multi-dimensional. I never was the same since birth. That's a convention. I don't care if you driving a foreign or a rental. I'm trying to see where's your mental, fifth generation, or fifth dimension. You better manifest the life you want and be intentional. Try to make me sober, it won't work. I got powers, I'm about to become essential. I was balling, then I got cooked. I balled again, then I got picked. Before you know it, there was a shit. Always knew I'd be like this. I don't care about 40 paddock wrist. Go try support celebrity kids. Smoking, drinking Henny. Folks saying losing every penny. I had to break out. Now cash flows to me effortlessly. It's an infinite dollar amount, like I did when I was a child. My life brought me here. It wasn't in the hill. I went within and I found heaven just to realize it doesn't exist. When you excited about life and living in this, shot green, L-Swiss, like dang, number 0. You know I never miss. I keep that boy reincarnated into a fist. It's all love, chakras always open. We're all here living, we always forgiving, always building my best life. I bring my own self, I was shining this light. Creative energy flows throughout your system. When you start releasing, process increasing. I got a all up in my ear. My ancestors surround me with protection, leaving fear in the rear. Empowered, don't get support too. If you wanna wake up, the choice is up to you. If you wanna rebirth your subconsciousness into something new. I'm so tired with my higher self, makes me stuck like glue. When you chose these opportunities put in place that you gotta go through. It's about the story, not you. Everybody hating each other because they got different views. At the end of the day, we all gonna die, so what's new? Embrace being in the present is truly a gift. If you don't manifest the future, you end up go feeling sick. I'm filled with eternal life. I never go down, only up. Spiritual awakening hit me like a truck. I made it out. I'm like that. It's just not luck. I'm out here living like the sun god rock. I'm out here living like the sun god rock. I'm out here living like the sun god rock. I'm out here living like the sun god rock. I'm out here living like the sun god rock. I'm out here living like the sun god rock. I'm out here living like the sun god rock. I'm out here living like the sun god rock. Yeah, search you out here breathing. You feel me? Meditate to this song, elevate to this song, cause we out here living in nature. You are that what you seek. You feel me? Breathe, like, share, and subscribe. Get you some sun, let it melt on your face and make you feel rich.
This is tough.